not the best shot option, but hey, it's still something. Comment down below if you like 706. Is pretty loud for Bridgeport. I'm pretty sure there's 2 dumpsters here. Maybe not. Maybe not at all. Oh, they have 2 trash and 1 recycle. That's fun. It's a hard one to film. Hopefully there's one more where it's like I can actually get a good shot. Y'all hear how loud it is? It's unbelievably loud for Bridgeport. He's got the packer going. I found a good filming spot. I'm in this parking spot and recycling dumpster in there, so we'll see. Smells like extremely, oh my god, extremely scented detergent, like really bad. Comment down below if you guys use like smelly detergent that's like really strong smelling, or if you can't deal with it. I literally, makes me all itchy and stuff. I thought they were doing this one, dang it. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's a little bit confusing, but there was a Hadley, the normal one,